Alam mo ba na sa mata ni Lord, highly favored ka, accepted ka, at beloved ka? Hindi second class, hindi sablay, hindi rejected, but chosen, loved, favored. Ephesians 1:6 ang sabi, we are accepted in the beloved. Yung word na accepted dito sa Greek ay charitou, meaning highly favored, gracefully honored, surrounded by favor, over the top blessed. Ito rin ang exact Greek word na ginamit sa Luke 1:28 nung sinabi ng angel kay Mary, you are highly favored. Meaning, the same favor na kay Mary, nasa iyo rin because of Jesus. And 1 John 3:1 says, we are called the children of God. Beloved, hindi ka tinanggap dahil mabait ka. Tinanggap ka dahil kay Jesus. Hindi ka favored dahil perfect ka. Favored ka dahil perfect si Christ for you. Kaya kahit saan ka pumunta, favor goes before you. Favor surrounds you. Favor opens doors for you. Favor fights for you. Because you're not trying to earn God's approval, you already have it. So today, walk like someone favored. Walk like someone accepted. Walk like someone deeply loved by God. And if that sounds crazy, listen ulit dahil